Unlocking Passive Income, your 2025 guide. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom in 2025? Stay tuned to discover the ultimate guide to passive income. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of passive income, exploring the hottest trends, sharing inspiring success stories, and giving you actionable steps to start building your own streams of income. Whether you're dreaming of early retirement, financial independence, or simply want to earn more money, this video is your roadmap to success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest wealth building strategies. Alright guys, let's talk about the future. Not flying cars future, but the future of your bank account. 2025 is right around the corner, and the landscape of passive income is changing faster than ever. Forget everything you thought you knew about making money in your sleep, because things are about to get interesting. We're talking about the rise of digital real estate. Imagine owning virtual properties in the metaverse and renting them out, just like physical real estate. It sounds crazy, but it's already happening. People are making serious money buying, selling, and developing virtual land in online worlds. And then there's the world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These unique digital assets are revolutionizing how we think about ownership, and they're creating incredible opportunities for passive income. Imagine owning a piece of digital art that generates royalties every time it's sold. That's the power of NFTs. But it's not all about the metaverse and digital assets. The gig economy is booming, and it's easier than ever to turn your skills and passions into passive income streams. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, or a virtual assistant, there's a platform out there connecting you with clients and helping you build a sustainable income on your own terms. The key here is to stay ahead of the curve. The world of passive income is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed about the latest trends and opportunities. That's why I'm here, to guide you through the ever-changing landscape of passive income and help you make smart decisions that will set you up for success in 2025 and beyond. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, Ben, but can real people actually achieve financial freedom through passive income? You better believe it. I've seen it firsthand, and today I'm going to share some incredible success stories that will inspire you to take action. Meet Sarah, a single mom who was struggling to make ends meet, working a dead-end job. She decided to turn her passion for photography into a side hustle, selling stock photos and prints online. Fast forward to today, and Sarah has quit her job, replaced her income, and now enjoys the freedom and flexibility to spend more time with her kids. Then there's John, a college student who started a dropshipping business from his dorm room. He was tired of being broke and wanted to create a better future for himself. By leveraging the power of e-commerce and online marketing, John built a six-figure business while still attending classes. These are just a couple of examples of the countless individuals who are achieving incredible things through passive income. The common thread? They all had a burning desire to create a better life for themselves and their families. They were willing to put in the work, stay consistent, and never give up on their dreams. And that's what I want you to take away from this chapter. If they can do it, so can you. Don't let fear, doubt, or limiting beliefs hold you back. The power to change your financial future is in your hands. Okay, enough inspiration. Let's get down to business. It's time to create your personalized passive income action plan. Don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging with just a bunch of vague ideas. We're going to break it down step by step, so you know exactly what to do to start building your own streams of passive income. Step 1 is identifying your passions and skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? The best passive income ideas are often born from our interests and talents. Remember Sarah, our photographer? She turned her love for capturing moments into a thriving business. Next, it's time to research and choose the right passive income stream for you. There are countless options out there, from blogging and affiliate marketing to creating online courses and investing in dividend stocks. The key is to find something that aligns with your interests, skills, and financial goals. Once you've chosen your path, it's time to educate yourself. Read books, take courses, and learn from experts in your chosen field. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the challenges and maximize your earning potential. Now comes the exciting part, taking action. It's time to put your plan into motion and start building your passive income stream. This is where most people get stuck, but remember, consistency is key. Set realistic goals, break down large tasks into smaller manageable steps, and celebrate your progress along the way. Let's be real for a second. The internet is full of get-rich-quick schemes and misleading information about passive income. You've probably heard it all before. Make money while you sleep, earn thousands of dollars with no effort. But let's separate fact from fiction and debunk some common passive income myths. Myth number 1. Passive income is about getting rich quick. Wrong. Building sustainable passive income takes time, effort, and consistency. It's not about overnight riches. It's about creating long-term financial freedom. Myth number 2. Passive income requires no work. Another misconception. While passive income streams require less active involvement than traditional jobs, they still demand effort, especially in the beginning. You need to put in the work up front to build, grow, and maintain your income streams. Myth number 3. Passive income is only for the wealthy. Absolutely not. Passive income is accessible to anyone willing to learn, work hard, and stay committed. You don't need a ton of money to get started. You just need the right mindset and a solid plan. The truth is, passive income is not a magic bullet. It's not about getting something for nothing. It's about leveraging your skills, knowledge, and resources to create multiple streams of income that work for you, even when you're not working. Now it's your turn. I know you guys have questions, so let's get to them. I want to make sure you have all the information you need to start building your own passive income streams. So hit me with your best shot in the comments below. What are your biggest challenges when it comes to passive income? What specific strategies are you most interested in learning about? Are there any roadblocks holding you back from taking action? Don't be shy. I read every single comment, and I'm here to help you succeed. Consider this your open invitation to join the conversation, share your thoughts, and connect with other like-minded individuals on the journey to financial freedom. Remember, the more engaged you are, the more value you'll get out of this video and the entire channel. So let's keep the conversation going in the comments section. There you have it, your comprehensive guide to unlocking passive income in 2025 and beyond. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect opportunity. Start today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth. Leave your questions in the comments and we'll address them in our next video. I'm excited to see what you achieve. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on your financial goals.